emotions rising up. Hurts like never before. I just can't take anymore. It's breaking me. Oh, I'm falling, falling to pieces again. Falling, falling to pieces again. Falling to pieces again. Why is this happening to me? I'm over the limit, I can barely breathe. It's so suffocating, this situation. What have I done to end up like this? Pressure is heavy and I won't resist. It's so suffocating, this situation. Falling to pieces again. Falling to pieces again. Hurts like never before.